Guys, it is April 1st, 2021. This one here I got a call for a faucet dripping in the basement. Wants to know if I can go by there and fix it for him. So we'll go by and see what's going on, what kind of faucet it is, what's going on. Maybe it's just a washer, hopefully. We will find out. Never a dull moment, Mama. Never a dull moment. Miss Molly. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly. I know, never a dull moment. No. It's a little rainy out there. I don't know. You might get a little. You're having a bad hair day if you get your hair wet, Miss Molly. You'll be having a bad hair day. I know you will be. Yeah. You don't want to get your hair wet. No, man. I don't think so. you got funky hair to begin with. I don't think you want to get your hair wet. I don't think so. You're having a bad hair day. Shit, yeah. So all I'll do is I'll shut the water. We're going to have to shut the main off and see if we can get this thing apart.
Yeah, it doesn't.
You know what I mean? Might mean that maybe the handles can be reset a little higher. It doesn't seem hot. It seems cold. We can't get it apart. I can get another one, but let's try.
Okay.
Got a ball valve there. I could probably use there. That one don't want to move. I'm gonna do this one instead.
Does that turn it off for the whole house?
Yeah.
Okay, because I have people living next door.
Well, they're gonna have to deal with it.
Well, I mean, can't you turn it off overhead?
No, I can't. Because everything's all.
I thought there were two turn-offs. I thought this.
No, nothing's isolated.
Huh?
No, nothing's isolated. Oh, if I'm gonna work on it, I have to shut the water off, right?
I guess. I'm gonna tell them. New.
Oh, come off. Lucky.
Yeah, well, that's not real. Obviously, that was replaced.
Well, sometimes that's the problem, is getting the shit off, as long as it can come off. Sometimes that's half the battle, right? Hopefully we can just take it out and put new washers in there. That's the best case scenario. You don't want to change it, you said, right? You want to leave it.
I'm sorry?
You said you don't want to change the sink.
Say that again? I don't want to change the...
You said you don't want to change the sink.
You mean this thing?
Yes.
No, absolutely don't. That would only be a last resort. You need another light over here? I have one.
Oh, got lucky. I mean, the more light I got, the better.
How about this?
I got some of these little drop light things I can use also. So I won't light on a subject. Yeah, things definitely pretty worn out. I'll put a new one in there. What a flippin' what? Thing's slick as shit, this floor, isn't it?
It's what?
Slick as shit, this floor. Slippery. The floor?
I don't know, I just put the paint that they recommended down on it. Maybe because it's wet, I don't know. This is where the water comes.
Slick as shit, that's for sure. Now, where'd you get my number?
Stan and Paul's. I called because I bought an appliance there, and I was checking on something, and then I said, do you know the name of a good plumber? And the lady gave me a name.
Okay. Alright, do work for them guys. The handle, what's going to happen is eventually it's going to seat in, you know, the washer, and it'll go more and more and more. So I want to have it so it opens, but I want to have it so, you know, as the washer seats in, this is going to go down more, right?
Right.
So leave it like that.
Okay.
And I'll do the other side. See what the other. While I'm here, I might as well do them both. And we'll, hopefully that takes care of it for you. If it comes apart. I might even have cartridges for that in the truck. Like replacement insert things. This is like an old-fashioned tub faucet.
Well, the house is 95 years old, so. Oh, there we go. Before.
I think he's taken this one off before. Maybe. How you like the Stan and Paul's? Not bad, huh?
I'm sorry?
How you like Stan and Paul's?
Well, I bought these here. The washer and the dryer, and the dishwasher, and now microwave. Everything's breaking at the same time.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I bought 4 appliances in the last 10 months. Hadn't counted on it. But.
Yeah, that's just how it is, huh?
Well, that's fine. I mean, you know, I like to do it because I worried about the washing machine especially. I thought it was going to go at any time. But it didn't. And then, without warning, the microwave broke.
No kidding, huh?
From one hour to the next. It was broke and that was it. You know?
No, that one, I don't think that one's gonna want to come off. Well, it's slipping. Doesn't seem like it. No. Oh, maybe I can get something else on there, maybe. Put a basin wrench on there, maybe, and get it started. No, I don't think that one's gonna want to come off. I don't think that one's gonna want to come off. Problem is, if you can't get it off, you can't get it off, you know? Coat it on there. No. I mean, it's just gonna strip. Ain't coming off. Oh, there it goes. We got it. Sometimes you gotta work it, like,
I'm
you
sure
know.
it hasn't been moved in at least 30 years, maybe? Oh.
Maybe. Same thing with that one. See if we get that one off. Hopefully. Oh, look at that come off. You got lucky. Lucky. I mean, you don't know this whole stuff. You start working on it and you don't know. So you get into it, right?
All right.
Can I fix it? Sometimes I can't. Just how it is.
You hear that?
That clicking noise?
You know what that might be? I've been hearing noises this morning. At first it was over here. Maybe that is over here. Sometimes what I think is in one place is in some other place. That is over here, isn't it?
Sounds like it might be a heating noise. Your heating system's expanding and clicking.
You think so?
I think that's what it
I've
is.
never noticed it before this.
Your heating system's running now. You hear it running? So you're happy with the high efficiency unit. Hasn't broke yet on you.
Yeah.
You have it cleaned every year?
I'm not sure.
You probably should. Or every couple of years at least. Take it all apart. And
Good point.
because if not, what's going to happen is it's going to give off all kinds of debris. And that debris is going to sit inside the heat exchanger and it's going to rot through it. Even though it's stainless steel. It's just, if you don't clean it.
So I should ask them to come and clean it.
After 6-7 years, the thing's going to be junk.
Well, it's already, no, it has been cleaned once. I know they cleaned at least one.
Whoa, it's going to be, it should be done.
It's 8 years old.
Yeah, you better do it more than that guy because you're going to have
Well,
issues.
I'm not really sure, you know.
I'm just letting you know, giving you a heads
Not
up.
them, right? They don't send out a notice or anything saying you should get it.
I don't know what they do, but I would have the guy put
Well,
it
I
in.
mean, when I had oil, we got it done every year, you know.
Well, it's the
And
same
if we
thing with,
didn't, they would remind us, you know.
yeah, same thing with the high efficiency stuff. It's just,
Yeah, I should call. I'm glad you said that.
because what's going to happen, I'll tell you exactly what's going to, you're going to get all kind of sediment in there, and it's going to sit in the heat exchange, and it's going to rot it. All right, I did put some lube on the handle. If we can find the screw for that thing. There it is. Yeah, that sounds like heating. That sounds like expansion noise on the pipes.
Think so? No.
That's what I would think it is.
Well, I'll certainly mention it to them.
Oh, it's your heating system. They put it in for you. You're gonna have to call them and tell them put you on a maintenance schedule. That's what I would recommend. All right, let's turn the water back on and let's see what happens. What's clicking?
That's what I'm saying. I never heard it before this morning.
It's right
Sounds like
there.
it's here.
It's right there. See, your PVC pipes are expanding.
Really?
It's the heat. It's the exhaust going out that's making the noise.
So it's these pipes that are making.
Right there. See that hanger?
Uh-huh.
It's tight right around there, and it's heating up and expanding, and that's what's making your noise.
Oh, all right.
That's exactly what it is.
Well, I appreciate it. I thought it was a drip.
Yeah, they're pretty bad. Take a look at them. replace 2 of them. Turn the water on. Yeah, it'll show up somewhere around. Here it is. There's the other one. Yeah, they're pretty bad. Let's turn the water on, see if it fixed it. Looks like that might have fixed it. Like I said, the more you tighten these handles, the more they're going to go down.
Of course.
And it's a compression type of valve. Get you by this thing, and this thing's been soapstone, they call that.
This is soapstone?
Yeah, they call this soapstone.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's what they soapstone sink.
Well, the house is 90 years old, actually
Usually they crack.
95.
Usually
we
they
had trouble with not that so much as the legs. We had to shore them up. I just did it.
usually they leak down the bottom
the guy
here.
said once that goes down there.
You're screwed, yeah.
Yep. And
Most of these are gone by now.
what was that?
Most of these sinks have been replaced.
Yeah. That little thing, yeah.
Yeah, you know, it ain't gonna be 100%. We don't know what kind of condition the seats are in that thing, but it's just not running like it was before. I mean, I can get a new one.
No, what? A new what?
A new faucet if we need it, but I think that's a successful repair. Before it was continuously running, right?
Right. And how much is a new faucet?
I didn't even ask them. You're probably looking at something like that, probably 150 bucks. Yeah, because it's specialty. Anything special, they hit you.
What do you think about buying it and putting it aside?
No, I can get them.
Well, but maybe in years to come. And suppose something happens in a couple of years or so, maybe I could buy one and just keep it so I'd have it, you know?
I don't know.
You think that's a good idea?
You can do it. You could probably get one on eBay. You could probably get one on eBay for, you know, you look it up. I mean, you can see what it looks like. It just clips on there. See it? Mm-hmm. It's supposed to, yeah, clips on, one in the back.
Yep.
One in the back there, and then these 2. I'm sure you could probably get one cheap on eBay. See if you can pick one up. Then you'll have it, right?
So why did you say $150 and now you're saying it's cheaper on eBay? Because they're secondhand?
Because it's a specialty faucet. If you go around here and buy that specialty faucet, they're going to spank you for it. If you get one on eBay, somebody's had one, never used it in their basement, sometimes they sell it cheap. Know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can get a deal on this.
Essentially a second-hand one. Even
No, you can get a brand new one. New old stock. The guy never used it. His father was a plumber. He had it, and he's trying to sell it. I mean, they're not that popular. So you could probably get one for a good price.
Can you give me a name for that?
No.
Or a name?
No. You'd have to just look it up on the faucets, on the, you know, slop sink faucets. Soapstone faucet.
Okay.
It's a soapstone sink.
Starting point, anyway.
I mean, I could find it on eBay. I can look it up and find it, but telling you the logo sometimes isn't that easy, right?